Welcome or welcome back if you saw our last video. I'm Ellie Bateman and I'll be giving you a rundown of the current state of the PRS based on the latest research into the industry. We're going to start with the Renters' Rights Bill. The Renters' Rights Bill completed its scrutiny in the House of Commons. It's still got some way to go and we're continuing to campaign forcefully for workable changes. According to our research, proposed changes to the mandatory arrears ground is the biggest concern for landlords, with over 2/3, 67% of respondents citing this change as the one they are most concerned about. According to alternative deposit provider Reposit, the average rent arrears claim reached £2,064. The proposed change to the mandatory arrears ground would increase the threshold at which a landlord could serve a repossession notice from 2 to 3 months arrears. It's therefore likely that the amount of rent arrears claimed will rise. While over 2/3 of landlords feel the rent arrears ground is the most concerning change in the bill, 86% of student landlords feel the student ground is a greater risk. The Renters' Rights Bill includes a student ground for possession, but it has restrictions and can only be used by landlords with full-time student HMOs during a specific window ahead of the September term. On to buying and selling. In our last video, we covered Q1 and left our index on a semi-positive note, with the percentage of landlords planning to sell decreasing further from its all-time high in Q2 of last year. Since we published that video, there's been a drastic change. Our Q2 results came back with 39% of landlord respondents planning to sell. In Q3, the proportion of landlords planning to sell one or more properties has risen sharply to reach a record high of 53%. Planned investment, meanwhile, has slipped further, with just 7% of landlords intending to expand their portfolios into the next 12 months. Rental market data from Zoopla shows that the demand-supply imbalance continues, but has lessened over the last year. While the number of available private rented homes has risen by 18% since 2023, it remains 24% down on pre-pandemic levels. Demand has also reduced in the last year, but is still 68% higher than it was in 2019. Whether this trend continues, we'll have to wait to see. Zoopla has already reported that the number of formerly rented homes for sale increased to 12.5%. That's all for this quarter's State of the PRS. Please check out our research pages for more detailed insights or subscribe to catch our next video.